Yeah, so it's morning. Good morning. It's really, really early. We're going to Pennsylvania. Yes, we're going to Pennsylvania to shop. Yeah, we're gonna shop, but we're probably not gonna get anything because we don't know what we want. So we're just you know, getting situated, and yeah, we managed to stay up all night, like all night, and we had to be here for the bus. We had to be at the bus for 5:20. We made it at like 5:03, and like I have so much energy for some reason, I don't know, and I haven't slept yet, so we'll see. I'll probably knock out at some point because I have space, and you know, like everything's alright and nice tighty and everything. I hope we find stuff. Really, I really and truly do. But we'll take you on the journey with us today, and with Fuffy and myself, we'll take you on the journey, okay? So we'll see you guys soon.
If you let me be your lover, maybe if you tried, then I would not bother.
Spot on the bus. I guess they're looking for people. I don't know, but we're on the bus. Yeah, we're on the bus. We slept, y'all. I'm still so tired. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Like, it's ridiculous. But we made it to, I guess because we weren't awake, we made it to Niagara Falls pretty fast. Because I was like, whoa, we're here? But anyways, yeah, we're here for crossing the border. Oh, good. So, vacation can't happen unless you get that passport, because I'm already good.
June 25th.
Yeah, we're not leaving anytime soon. So. But, yeah, is it raining? Okay. No, never mind. I'll just cross the window, I guess. But, yeah, we're here, exactly. Be appreciative. Anyways, we're in the States now. And that's so crazy how it's just a border that separates two countries. That's crazy. Like, I could walk to the States. Just some toll boxes.
Oh, this is now in America?
But yeah, so I'm gonna go back to sleep, and so the next time I see you, I should be shopping. Until then, I'm really tired, but I can't sleep for some reason. I'm gonna get sick because my throat is itching me already. See me? Yeah, I'm slicking it. That's hilarious. Nah, I'm trying to catch people. Family Dollar. Are they open? No, they are not. I love Family Dollar. It's the best piece in the whole world. Yo, I look fat. Hey, Fuff. Fuffy, what are you buying me today? What are you buying for me today? Excuse me? Excuse me? I ain't buying anything for you. Okay, bye, Felicia. She has she has $23 for me, so she's gonna spend that on me in Erie, Pennsylvania. I want lunch.
Or no, I'm going to e-transfer that money back to you.
I would like, maybe we can find checks for $20, and then if so, Sorry. Yeah, maybe we can, you can get me chucks for $20? Yeah? You don't need any more. Yeah. I'll link you guys tomorrow when we reach Izumi. Because that's what it seems like we're going to be getting there. Like, I can't. Alright, people, so we're there Buffalo and we lost. We'll go round and round and round about how much time now. But the man don't want to take direction, so we just saw sightsee, Izumi. Yeah, that's how we think set up this morning. Look at all these beautiful trees and greens and all these things. Cinderella Motel. Oh, I wonder if you lose your slippers there. Now we're on our way to the liquor store, so we just left Gabriel's Brothers. And how much did you spend? 30 bucks? Spent about $38. So yeah, and I did pretty good. I got well, I'm gonna do a haul video so you guys will see what I got on my trip. And yeah, so now we're, like I said, we're on our way to the liquor store. We're going to Wines and Spirits because Marlon insists that I bring him back his pineapple Ciroc. So we're gonna go see if they have it and how dear it is, because if it's there, I can't cross it. Ain't nobody got time for that.
What, maybe 20 bucks?
Yeah, right. It's still gonna be close to the $50.
No, I swear, like I've seen them for 20.
The mini bottles?
I can't remember.
Okay, because yeah, not the regular size bottles. But again, we'll see what we can get in the liquor store. See what's cheap and, you know, maybe spend like a $20 in there. But yeah, so that's what's happening for now. So this is what we're doing at our first stop. See you guys at the next one. Fuffy, say bye. So we're at our second stop. We just left Marche and Sally's. Now we're walking over to Marshall's to see what it is that we can get. Yeah, didn't really buy anything but candy.
Yeah.
For myself, I'm so hungry. I'm just waiting to go to the mall so I can eat something. Kind of. I'm so happy my hair's not out right now because I'd die probably. Should go to Payless and see if I see your shoes for my mommy. They have a dentist there. You said you wanted to go to the dentist. Yeah. It's right there. It's Smiles. Look.
They're gonna
make you smile. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We have a couple more minutes before we have to get back on the bus and then head to our next location. Yeah.
What time did she say?
12:55. 5 minutes to 1.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, we're gonna go through Marshall's, see if we see anything. If not,
You're actually going to Marshall's?
yeah, I'm just gonna walk around. And yeah, that's it.
I didn't ever find that.
So I'll see you guys at our next drop out. Okay, bye. We're at Mill Creek Mall.
I don't know why you keep including me in these things.
Are you dumb? Because you're with me. Don't fucking be dumb. Like, she's stupid. All right, you guys seen in the other vlog how she was chatting up because she had food, eh? But guess where we are now? The Bumbleclad food court. I'm so excited. But yeah, we're going into the mall now. I guess we're gonna see what it is that we get. Probably nothing, but you know how that goes. See you soon. Yo, this is so cool. Like, I want one.
It's such a fun way to travel.
Like, for real though. Like, I want it. But it's like so lazy too. Like I feel like I would take forever to go where I need to go.
It doesn't speed up when we go there.
Only in the friggin' States, yo. Yeah, where are we going? I guess we'll just walk around and see what's what and what's where and...
That way.
Okay, is that the only store here? No?
Is there an H&M? Chico's. You can let me ride on it. It looks like hella slow.
Like... so slow. What?
I think they have an outdoor.
Alright, later guys.
This Flippy's old door. Napkin?
But yes, for.
Why are you like all over my mouth?
Anyways, we're eating now. She said the food tastes old, but yeah, I don't know. They don't really have much options at this stupid mall. But I got General Tao.
Sow?
Tao.
Cow?
It was tea.
Why would you saying? You were saying sow.
General Tao chicken.
Let me see. This hot sauce look kind of funny.
Because it's really light.
Big one.
And broccoli with chicken and noodles. And then I'm going to throw on my hot sauce. Oh, never mind. My hot sauce is over here. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're doing it for the vlog, as Travis would say. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like I bought much, but
Me either.
I got 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes. I got... What else did I get? I got a lot of accessories. I got a lot of accessories. I think I paid almost like
$40 maybe.
yeah, like $30, $40 with the accessories that I bought. Every store that I've gone to, I've bought at least $10 worth of accessories. So, yeah, girl, I'm gonna be turning up this summer. The barbecue? Oh, the party. Shit, I forgot about that. This girl's going hard in Forever 21, yo. She was going ham.
No, I picked up a bunch of tank tops.
She was going ham, yo. She was at the sale rack for like the whole time.
Because I couldn't find a pants that was like
The whole time.
Either they were too
The whole
big or too
time.
small.
The whole time. You
I
understand?
bought one black pants.
You understand? What did you buy from Encore?
But I didn't know like if your
No,
bag was
mother.
going to be filled.
Not Billy's, right?
It hurts that much?
Yeah, it's like a...
What, hair?
No, but what the fuck is this?
What is that? Is that like... Where'd it go? Oh. It looks like it was twine or like...
Whatever, something from the food, whatever. God made dirt and dirt don't hurt. God bless this food that you are putting in before me. Bless the hands that have created it. Make sure there is no spit, no hawk, no nothing in my food.
Oh my god.
And then make sure that nothing happens to me after it is consumed. In your name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. Hallelujah.
I hope it doesn't...
So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just eating, so check back with you guys in a little bit. What?
No, I was gonna say something.
She's getting a penis.
No, I'm not.
She's getting a penis.
Yeah, guy.
Wait, what okay, wait. I'll be right back. I can't talk to you guys about this right with this on right now, so I'll be right back, okay? So I think we're gonna get left right now, you guys. We're supposed to be back at the bus by 3:15 and it's 3:10. And
Actually, probably like 3:11 now.
shh. Is it 3:11? Yeah. Fuck you.
Which way should we go? There?
No, just go back that way. At least if we see them.
Cut through the mall?
I wouldn't take the chance.
No?
No. I think it will be the same shit, if anything, and there's more crowd in the mall than
There's no crowd.
walking out.
It's such a dead mall.
What the fuck? Where? Like, the fuck?
Like ice. Sliding on your ass for ice, but like.
Because I'm not walking or taking taxi to meet nobody at Burlington Coat Factory. You understand?
You have money for that?
I have one little shillings left. You understand? My food is spilling. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. Hi. Hey. Hey. So, yeah, we're trying to speed walk.
Do you want it?
We're trying to speed walk over to the bus. As you can see, I'm fat, so I can't breathe properly. And yeah.
Tired.
Actually, you know what? We're not that far, to be perfectly honest. We just have to cut through there, and then we see them. Like, if we're there 3:16, it's not going to be a problem. You understand? Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah. See when we get on the bus. Bye. Hey, guys. We're here again. It's home time now. We're just leaving our last stop, which was my favorite store, Burlington, and the dollar store. Yes! So, we're walking back to the bus now to go finish packing and all of that good stuff. I'm going home with money, so I did fairly well. Again, I got 4 pairs of shoes. But again, you'll see all of that in my haul video. Tiffany bought my shoes. She got my shoes. Yeah, she's a bitch like that. She got my shoes, even though they didn't have my size in the shoes. Well, they had.
First, but they were like, when I seen
But then you didn't pick them back up until I picked it up.
because those ones were mush up.
But you didn't pick it up until I picked it
I
up.
didn't pick those ones up anyways.
But you didn't pick it up until I picked it up.
Sucked because it's not even the right size.
But you didn't pick it up until I picked it. That's why I look at my stuff before I buy it. So it wouldn't have actually sucked because I wouldn't have purchased it, just like I didn't. Oh, me too. Is there a bathroom?
Isn't there a bathroom on those?
I think so. I don't know. Okay. But yeah, that's what we're currently doing right now. Bye, Burlington. Wait, where are you?
I swear it's just like Marshalls in these places.
No, hell no. Prices are way better. Bye, Burlington, for name brand stuff. Prices are way better than fucking Marshalls. Fuck Marshalls. Marshalls fucking stupid. But you can sponsor me though. You can send me stuff for my house. Black and white, please. I said please. Yo, you guys, I'm so buzzed. And all I want to do is eat and then sleep. Trust me. You don't understand all our grandparents I know. You see me? This is our bus that we came to Pennsylvania with. And that's what we're going home with. So, look more. Hey guys. It's 11. Let's just say 11:10 right now. And, yep, I'm home. I'm home. Yes, thank God I made it home alive. Everything was great. Fuffy's gone home. I'm just here now trying to unpack some stuff and put away whatever needs to be put away. I'm deciding whether or not I should make this haul video tonight or save it for tomorrow. But tomorrow is going to be a hectic day because it's my mommy's birthday. So, yeah. But anyhow, as you can probably see, I'm very tired. So I'm gonna go to my bed And if I make that video, great. If not, I will make it hopefully tomorrow. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another adventure. Mommy edition. I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up the video. And I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys. Hello, hi, what's up? What's going on? Wagwan, wagwan. It's Sunday, it's raining. I'm gonna go get my mom her birthday balloons from Party City. I gotta go get her a bag and a card and go up and drop off her gift and be back home in like an hour. So time is going. I don't think I washed my face this morning. Yep, sometimes, you know, you're nasty a little bit, but oh well. That's how it is. I gotta rush and do the stuff because her dinner is in a couple of hours. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now. Can't be blocking my window. And yeah, I really need to get a mount and a lot of stuff, but I'm working towards it. See with me, people. But yeah, I can't video and drive. Not today. Not in the rain. Because I cannot see in the rain, okay? And I don't have my glasses. Oh my god. Okay, so I'll be back shortly. When I get to Party City. Or whatever comes first. Bye. No, just... That's how small the tea is?
No spoon? What's going on here?
Mom just poured it.
Take your time, man.
Wait, let me taste it first to make sure. Hey, Shaka.
Just want to eat it.
What's up, girl? Yo, when's graduation? So I didn't give me my invitation.
Because I never got them yet. I don't even know what's happening. They don't talk about it at school. So I don't know.
But you bought yours.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Do you feel like you're 63?
No.
You don't feel like it? How old do you feel? Go ahead. Huh? How old do you feel?
Like you.
You feel like you're 25? No, I don't think so.
Look at my breasts. Look at my boobs.
So look at mine.
My manners are better than you.
Yeah! You have 4 people suck on them. Ew, how can it be better than mine? What is she looking for? The combos? There's shrimp lo mein. There's shrimp lo mein. Oh, for Shia. Teja, how come you didn't bring me no a video? I'm vlogging. How come you didn't give me no food yet? Since the last time you made that stuff something.
You got already?
Next year.
What do you mean next? Oh, you're done now, right?
No, I just want to share with you.
Teja, that sucks. Say that. Yo, you need to get a job.
No sugar. You want some?
For where?
You want some?
Teja, please work there. Teja, please work there. At the Mexicana? I can come there and get free food? If you get that, please. Yo, I was dying yesterday. Everywhere I seen a Chipotle, I'm like, I want Chipotle. I want Chipotle. Say hi, guys. Yeah, it's a video, not a picture.
I was talking to it like, I was looking for the picture, okay? I was like a fish.
Yeah, so we're just here at Mom's dinner. And yeah, just ordered.
It is not a buffet. Them promised a buffet.
We did not tell you what it was.
Yeah, you did.
No, we didn't.
Show them the buffet, say it's empty. Show them nothing. Nothing that's open.
There's dishes. Ooh. Ooh, look at the Szechuan chicken. It's so good. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm in love with my choker. So pretty. Yeah, it's just paying for me.
Who's paid for you?
I don't know.
What you say, I'm okay.